Counting of votes for Jammu and Kashmir Assembly elections held on September 18 and Haryana Assembly elections on October 5th is underway. BJP has defied exit polls and is on track to secure the historic third term in Haryana, pulling ahead in 42 seats and winning 6, while Congress, which started strong, won 10 seats and leads in 26. This is a remarkable comeback, as no party has ever won 3 consecutive terms since Haryana's formation in 1966. Other players like the INLD are trailing with 2 leads, and the JJP, which allied with the BJP in 2019, has failed to make an impact this time around. Meanwhile, in Jammu and Kashmir's first assembly elections in a decade, the Congress National Conference NC Alliance is set for victory with 35 wins and leads in 12 seats. NC leader Farooq Abdullah has chosen his son Omar Abdullah as the next chief minister. The BJP has secured 20 seats and is leading in 9 more, while PDP trials with only 2 wins and leads. AAP also made a surprising breakthrough with Maharaj Malik's win in Doda.